guys, thank you for tuning in. In this video we will solve a geometry question and we will learn the concepts of solving geometry questions of circle. Before we solve this question, let us learn few important concepts related to circle. In any circle, if they mention the word chord, it refers to any line that joins 2 points of the circumference of the circle. So this is also a chord, this is also a chord. Or even this is also a chord. Any straight line that joins 2 points of the circle is called chord. But here's the catch. If the chord is the longest in the circle, it is called the diameter. For example, like this. If this is a straight line and if it passes through the center, it is the diameter. It is the diameter of the circle, or referred usually as D. Here in this question, let me erase everything. In this question, we are given that the chord AB is 12 centimeter. For example, this is the chord AB. AB is 12 centimeter. And it says that perpendicular distance from the center O is 8 centimeter. So if we draw a perpendicular line, somewhat becomes like this, and this length is equal to 8 centimeter. So here comes another important concept, that if the line is perpendicular from the center to the chord, it always bisects the line, which means that this portion of the line is equal to this portion of the line. The condition is that it must be perpendicular. So it is perpendicular in this case because it is mentioned in the question. So it means that when the whole distance AB is 12, this portion is 6 centimeter. Let us complete the right angled triangle here. So we are required to find the radius of the circle, which means the radius is the hypotenuse of this triangle here. We know that from Pythagoras theorem, h square, which is hypotenuse square, is equal to perpendicular square plus base, which is b square. Here the base is 6 centimeter, so 6 square, plus the height is 8, so 8 square. This is 36 plus 64, h square equals 100. If we square root both the sides, we get h equals under root 100 equals 10. So the answer to this question is 10 centimeter.